Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Ian at All Out Adventure Scotland, and welcome back to my four-part mini-series on stand-up paddleboarding. Episode 3, we're going to be focusing on self-rescue, water safety, how we actually get ourselves back onto the board, and inevitably when we do go in the water. A couple of different methods I'm going to be showing you today, but ultimately using the loop lines, carabiners, safety ropes attached to the board, and then using the board itself to get ourselves back on. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed the previous 2 videos, and I hope it's given you an insight into paddleboarding and giving you a start point. Episode 4, next up, is what we're going to be looking at: kit and equipment packing when we're out doing adventure on the boards. Different various ways of carrying the kit and equipment if you're intending camping, i.e. going out in the lochs and the lakes and doing a bit of travel. So look forward to that in the next video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to it and please follow me. Cheers. Thank you. So guys, on to the water safety aspect of it, self-rescue. So, you've been out for a while, you are inevitably going to go in the water at some point, so it's important to know how to get yourself back out the board. If at any time you do go into the water, take that immediate calm, find your bearings. Yeah, the water's going to shock you slightly, especially here in the canals in Scotland. It's bloody freezing today, so I'm going to be getting cold when I eventually go in and do this demonstration. So, yeah, get yourself comfortable as much as you can do, get your bearings, get the front of the board, the back of the board, and this also emphasises the importance of having a good buoyancy aid and obviously having your ankle strap attached as well. Go into the water, and that board shoots away, you're not going to catch it again, especially try to swim with one of these on. So it is important that you get your ankle strap on, find your bearings, and then you can start thinking about getting back onto the board. So the first method we're going to talk about then, you get into the water, you've not got a loop line or anything with you, you just need to get yourself back on the board. Using the old body weight, yep, get yourself back on the side. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get into the water, so we're going to get nice, cold and wet. Get yourself into the water. So you hold on to your paddle and just get your bearings, okay? Get yourself to the side of the board, okay at the back, okay at the front. Yep, and all you're going to do is get your feet out behind you, your feet in front of you, or under the board. You're not going to be able to do this. Get your feet out behind you. Pull yourself up. Get your bearings. Then start off again, okay? Easy as that. Done. But yeah, that's what we're trying to do. But it is bloody cold today. So I'll not be hanging around doing this thing time of season. The next option is I'm going to put this just for safekeeping. You've gone into the water, you've been out all day, you've got tired, your arms are a bit weak, you're not going to be able to hold yourself on the side of the board. What we're going to do, back the board, just line on here. Foot line. Yeah, easy enough. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that part of the video, and that concludes episode 3. It's water safety and self-rescue, getting back onto the board. Look forward to the next video where we'll be talking about the kit and equipment if you're planning on going out on an adventure and doing a little bit more distant stuff, overnight camps and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope this was informative and I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed my videos and I hope to see you again. Thanks for watching.